Today we are in our client's workshop, and this workshop has two lines of our factory, that is PP PLA sheet extrusion line. The first part is the feeder, which is the vacuum suction feeder. No need workers to operate all the time, and just here you can see this worker. Then we come to the extruder. The extruder size is 130 millimeters, and we can see the temperature controller for the screw. They use the full automatic die, and here is the operation. You can see the spiral cleaner. Here is the thickness controller. Here is the thickness controller showing screen. Here is the side cutting material. The side cutting material will be sent to that part, here this part, and it will be crushed, and the crushed material will be sent to the feeder. There is one chrono. If some client wants the film can be easily printed, and the chrono is necessary. Here is the double station winder. No need client to change or cut the rolls themselves. It will do it automatically.